And in our top business story, the UAE Ministry of Finance released its 7th Annual Statistical Report today, outlining the UAE's performance in the Gulf Common Market, while also highlighting that the UAE continues to remain the top investment destination to GCC citizens. At a press conference organised at the Ministry of Finance over in Abu Dhabi, officials stated that the report is based on the UAE's performance in regards to 15 of the most prominent aspects of the market, while also including statistical indicators in economic, educational and social fields of the Gulf Common Market, particularly in key sectors such as tourism and health services. The report revealed that the UAE maintained its position as a top investment destination to GCC citizens, where 1,899 new licenses were granted to practice economic activities, leading to 19,803 licenses by the end of last year. Highlighting that the real estate activity witnessed an increase last year, the report outlined that the number of new real estate registrations for GCC citizens reached 4,964, with 3,290 residential ownerships, representing a ratio of 66.3%, while 1,484 units were commercial, representing 29.9%. On the industry front, the number of industrial establishments operating in the UAE amounted to 89, with 46 units coming in from Saudi Arabia, making the largest share of 51.7%, and then Oman with 13 industrial establishments coming in second position.
We are in the GCC. We have an economic agreement. We're all together for economic integration. We moved to an advanced stage. We moved into the customs union, and then we moved to the common market. And what we're working at now in the UAE to ensure that maximize the benefits from GCC nationals to benefit from UAE economy and UAE nationals to benefit GCC countries. This is why we ensure that in Ministry of Finance we follow up and issue statistics on economic integration, and the economic agreement identified area of integration, and this is what the statistics reflect.
During the briefing, it was also mentioned that while the number of GCC tourists witnessed a growth between 2010 and 2015, with a total of nearly 4.2 million tourists last year, the number of GCC citizens participating in the healthcare system and benefiting from health services offered by the Ministry of Health reached 5,569 in the same period, and Omani citizens took the largest share, representing a ratio of 86.8%.
Today in our discussion we explained that how the growth of companies from GCC establishing in the UAE, the professionals practicing business here, movement of tourists, movement of GCC nationals, education, health. There is a big progress is being happening in the UAE.
Abu Dhabi Airports has released figures for passenger traffic at Abu Dhabi International Airport for the first half of the year, showing that total traffic for January to June reached 11,848,359 million passengers, representing a 6.6% increase from the 11,111,577 in the first 6 months of 2015. The number of people passing through Terminal 1 saw the largest increase, reaching 4.79 million. That's a 22% growth from 3.92 million in 2015. The most popular destination in June was Bombay, which recorded a 26% rise in traffic to the Indian destination compared with the same month last year. Traffic to and from Doha and Jeddah both grew by 12% in June. Commenting on the numbers, Abdul Majid Al Khoury, the acting CEO of Abu Dhabi Airports, stated that January and March have been the busiest period for Abu Dhabi International Airport in the first half of the year, with passenger traffic crossing 2 million in both of the months. While passenger traffic improved for the month, the number of total aircraft movements was down 4.6% in June to 13,758 from 14,417 in 2015. This also saw a reduction in cargo volumes with 68,640 metric tonnes carried in June, down 5.9% from last year's figure. Aldar Properties has posted a 9% increase in net profit to 654 million dirhams in the second quarter of 2016. That's compared to a profit of 601 million in the second quarter of 2015. The company said in a statement today that the profits were driven by strong off-plan development sales exceeding 1 billion dirhams in Aldar's Yas Acres and Mayan in Yas Island. According to the company, Yas Acres is 80% sold across Phase 1 and Phase 2 to date, and Mayan is 75% sold in 5 buildings. Aldar posted revenues of 1.7 billion dirhams in the second quarter, and according to Mohammed Khalifa Al Mubarak, the CEO of Aldar Properties, with over 1 billion dirhams in off-plan sales during the quarter and 1.9 billion dirhams in the first 6 months of the year, the company continued to see strong demand for its real estate products, with assets of $10 billion US. Aldar has developed some of Abu Dhabi's most iconic projects, including Yas Mall and the Formula One facilities on Yas Island. And a new report has revealed that the UAE leads the other Gulf countries in the region with the highest percentage of millionaires per head of population. Dubai in the 11th spot and Abu Dhabi at number 13. Both are placed among the top 20 list of millionaires per head. That's according to a study from Spears magazine and wealth consultancy company Wealth Insight. Other Gulf cities in the top 20 list include Doha and Riyadh. Another study published by New World Wealth mentioned that the UAE is on course to witness an exponential growth in the number of millionaires living in the country by 2025. The UAE hosting a total of 72,000 high net worth individuals as of 2015 will record the 4th fastest growth in millionaire population in the Middle East at 50% to 108,000 by 2025. Qatar and Saudi Arabia had 28,000 and 54,000 high net worth individuals in 2015 respectively.